If you're thinking about buying Writefull, there are 12 key things you need to know first before making a decision. In this video, we're comparing it to other generative AI software, so you can make an informed choice. The first thing to know is that Writefull specializes in academic writing, offering tailored suggestions for improving writing, grammar, and style. While tools like Grammarly can help with basic grammar checks, Writefull provides more advanced support with a focus on research papers, articles, and academic writing. It's perfect for anyone in academia, but it may not be ideal for casual writing. Next thing, Writefull integrates directly with tools like Word, Google Docs, and Overleaf. This seamless integration makes it easy for users to access suggestions without leaving their workspace. While other tools might require copy-pasting text between apps, Writefull keeps everything in one place, saving time. The third thing is that Writefull offers a feature called text rewriting, which can automatically rephrase sentences for improved clarity and flow. Unlike other platforms, Writefull doesn't just suggest minor tweaks, but reworks entire sections for better readability. However, be cautious, as rewording can sometimes alter the meaning of a sentence, so always review suggested changes. The fourth thing to consider is Writefull's focus on scientific language. It uses a specialized database for scientific writing, giving it an edge over competitors like Grammarly when it comes to academic language. However, if you're writing non-scientific content, you may find other tools more versatile. The fifth thing is the pricing. Writefull offers both subscription and pay-as-you-go options, which might seem more flexible than a flat-rate subscription model. However, some users might find that monthly fees add up quickly, especially for long-term users. Compare this to competitors like Grammarly, which offer premium plans at similar rates. Next thing, Writefull's AI is trained specifically for research, meaning it's great for checking the accuracy of citations and referencing. If you frequently deal with scientific references, this can save you time. In contrast, general tools like Pro Writing Aid might not offer such in-depth research-related features. The seventh thing is Writefull's reliance on an internet connection. Unlike some tools that allow offline work, Writefull requires a stable internet connection for its full suite of features, which could be a deal breaker for some users who prefer offline functionality. The eighth thing is that Writefull's interface is clean and straightforward, which can make it more intuitive than some of the more feature-heavy alternatives out there. However, its simplicity might leave more advanced users looking for additional customization options. Next thing to know is that Writefull offers a plagiarism checker, which is integrated with its writing assistant features. This is especially useful for academic writers who need to ensure their work is original. However, this feature is not as advanced as dedicated plagiarism checkers, like Turnitin, so keep that in mind. The 10th thing is Writefull's use of neural networks to improve its suggestions. This makes it more intelligent than rule-based tools like Hemingway Editor, which focus primarily on style and readability without deep contextual understanding. Writefull's neural network can adapt to more complex writing styles. The 11th thing is that Writefull's support is efficient but not as extensive as some of the competitors. While it provides online help and a knowledge base, other tools like Grammarly and Pro Writing Aid have more robust customer service options, including live chat and direct email support. The 12th and final thing to consider is that Writefull offers a free trial, allowing you to test the service before committing to a subscription. While this is a great way to get a feel for the tool, other platforms, like Grammarly, also offer free versions with more limited functionality. Overall, Writefull is a solid option if you're focused on academic and research writing, offering specialized features that set it apart from competitors. But if you want a more versatile tool with broader support for different writing types, be sure to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.